Insects are very beneficial to Earth and the other creatures existing within it. Even insects as annoying as the fly aid in pollination and with breaking down natural matter. Without pollinating insects like bees and flies, plants would die, and many other species of animals would as well. With over 1.5 million confirmed species of insects and many more that aren't yet recorded, they make up 3 times the number of all other animals combined. The decline within the last 4 decades is alarming, and it's not only affecting insect species. There's been a decrease in animals that rely on them for food as well. Preserving insects' lives are of essential importance to our future. This decline is caused by large biological deserts, which are large cities that no longer show traces of the land prior to urbanization, no parks with flowing creeks, no still water like ponds and lakes, and less shrubs and trees, which are all places insects rely on for reproduction and homes. Insect populations have dropped a significant 41% in the last decade, and an even more significant 76% decrease in flying insects alone, like flies and butterflies. If this drop continues, we will reach a point where these insects are considered a thing of the past. No more spots on your windshield, and no more flowering plants as well. Because without pollinating insects, plants we need for survival are at risk. Insects are one of the main structures we need in order to live, or even have an earth at all that can bear life. It's like a domino effect. Once the insects go, the animals that eat them will decrease. Larger animals that eat the smaller ones will decrease due to a lack of food, destroying the food chain. Without insects to pollinate plants, plants will die. Eventually, larger plants would as well, like trees and crops. Even major ones like corn and soy will become a thing of the past. In order to track numbers, entomologists, the people that study bugs, set up traps made of netting with a light in the center of it. Entomologists are able to study the amount of insects by counting and weighing what is on the netting. These traps don't harm or capture the insects, but instead allow the insects to visit and leave whenever they please as the entomologists count them. The average biomass caught between May and October, the times when insects are most active, has decreased from 3.5 pounds per trap in 1989 to just 10.6 ounces per trap in 2014. If we don't want to see butterflies flying about our gardens, bees darting from flower to flower, the beautiful variation of insects under porch lights, and the reptiles and amphibians that rely on insects as food, like frogs, gone, and only vague memories, we need to do things to help preserve insect habitats. Do what you can individually, whether it's planting flowers bees and butterflies are attracted to, like butterfly weed, lilac bushes, and bee balm, or just not using pesticides in your garden. Leaving land like parks in larger cities as well would provide safe havens for insects in over-urbanized areas. Taking small steps now are essential to preserving insect population. We can't wait till it's too late.